The Cunnigar cost sixpence in a boat. If there were waves, you had the added joy of women screaming. Paddy at the helm administering calm, his face Arabian from sun and sea. The engine took an age to tune, then his task was to confuse the tides. He made an arrow for the abbey, but swerved midway while Skye and Cumra gasped. We could see to the bottom as we came near, cobbled brown and grey and everything out of joint. When Paddy's eyes were elsewhere, we put our hands out and felt all the water of the world move over them. The boat had to be moored carefully. John Duggan stood by the plank as you exited, assisting women and children collecting sixpences. Paddy, supervising, delicately insisted poor people travel free. In the evening we carried bagfuls of strange shells. The talk was quieter. You could hear every splash the ocean made on the stones. By now the town was a place of towers and light to travel to across waters.